If you're looking for a Go Doctor squeegee, well, you've come to the right place. These are the three choices that you have. I'm going to quickly explain what the differences are among these three choices. You'll notice that there's different colors. The different colors are simply different hardnesses of the material used in the squeegee blade. The colors of the handles have absolutely nothing to do but just how they look because they're really a comfortable grip. We'll go over in a second. But the blue one is the hardest one. And it's the one that's going to give you the least amount of flexibility. And I mean, if you really like a hard blade and you want to get the hardest one available, this one is the one you get in the series. Let's just say, you know, what I like about all these squeegees, because they're the same, is maybe you decide you need maybe the yellow one or the red one, but you don't want to buy the entire or commit to the entire tool. You can simply take these blades out like this and replace the blades. This is a redesigned version of this tool. I don't know which one you have if you're replacing one or you want to try it for the first time, but you see how the squeegee is designed. It's got little notches on the sides, and it's also got notches in the bottom. The notches in the bottom fit on the notches that are in the handle of this tool, which is plastic. And then, of course, there's little holes in the sides which fit these notches. Simply put, this is a quick release, but yet you could use with confidence. I mean, you can put as much pressure as you want. This blade's not coming out. I've never heard of this blade coming out. That's one of the reasons this tool was redesigned with these notches on the side, to hold this blade in with confidence. You don't want a blade to come out and, you know, ruin everything, so you can trust these tools. Again, this is the yellow. The yellow is probably the best seller. A lot of people may not realize the benefits of a little softer material and the flexibility that it gives you. It changes the angle a little bit. It's just it's an all-around great tool for cleaning and squeegeeing. Same, the red one is definitely, you can see it's got more flexibility. See how soft that is? If you're really into the softer material, you know, the red is for you. I'm going to tell you that my personal favorite is this one. It's sort of it just does it all. I like it the way it cleans. I like the way it squeegees. It's just my go-to color. If I had to choose one, I would choose this one, but hey, I got to have them all. So, you know, they all have their place. If you like real soft or you like real firm, and you got to have these too. So this is our Go Doctor series. But before we leave, I want to point out one thing. This handle right here is a rectangular in shape. Some of the other squeegees that do the same job have the round. It is your preference. I've even heard rumors in the future there's going to be another version of this tool that will have a round handle. Maybe one day soon we'll be looking for that. So this is the Go Doctor series. I'm sure you'll find a color that suits you, or maybe if you're like me, get them all.